Research that will change your world from the University of Calgary. U of C. This is now.
It's very interesting that the Alberta Real Estate Association asked me to look at what happens to a former grow-op or illegal drop operations after they've seized it and before the occupants can move back in. And quite often what they do is that the former drug operations have compromised the integrity of this home, so it has a lot of safety concerns. One of the primary problem is the modes that grow after it's been used as a marijuana grow-op. So there's a lot of humidity inside these environments. That humidity could, of course, condense on coat surfaces. And anytime you have condensation that lasts there for a long period of time, like over several days, you can have modes growing.
Our clients need to have some assurity that the property they're buying is safe for them. So when we're looking at the reclamation of a drug operation, we know that certain standard data has been looked after well. We have a building code. We have an electrical code and a plumbing code in Alberta. We have a heating code in Alberta. But what we don't have is that standard data for the air quality. So if we think about mold as one of those issues, let alone the other chemicals involved in a drug operation, we certainly need that assurance, or you need that assurance, and I need that assurance as a consumer, that if I do decide to buy one of those properties, I'm aware of it. And I'm aware that there are standards in place.
We see grow operations in all the varied communities in the city. So that's an example of just that there is a problem, and it's a problem that needs to be dealt with. I think what we have in place is good, but there's always room for improvement. And with Dr. Tang Lee's initiative here, certainly we're supportive of that. Anything that can help us to deal with these problems will put to use. And so we're looking forward to his recommendations and how it could be create some standardization here throughout the province.